What should I make for dinner?
Do you usually cook for yourself?
Yeah, I've been living on my own for a while, so I almost always cook food at home. Friends who come over say my food is better than eating out.
Okay, well then what are you best at?
I'm pretty good at making pastas and stews. Oh, and I even know how to make homemade kimchi.
Impressive. Invite me over. I want to try your cooking.
Really? How about tomorrow night then? Is there anything you can't eat?
No, I'm not picky, but I really like salads and pizza.
Pizza. Oh, here it is. And for the salad, oh, this will look like I made it, right?
This pizza is the best.
It's nothing. I can usually taste something once and remember how to make it.
That's amazing. Hey, where's your water?
Alexa, wait. Alexa!
I knew this would happen. Why brag about cooking like that? In the US, sometimes you invite friends over for a dinner party, right? In Korea, rather than hosting dinner parties, people might invite a few friends over to order food or eat a light snack. If you want to eat with someone, you need to be able to ask one another's food preferences, right? Let's learn which Korean expressions to use. When you want to ask someone what they like to eat, add 좋아해요 after the food or ingredient. 좋아해요? 좋아해요? For example, to ask if they like 불고기, say 불고기 좋아해요? 불고기 좋아해요? 불고기 좋아해요? For 떡볶이, say 떡볶이 좋아해요? 떡볶이 좋아해요? 떡볶이 좋아해요? That's how it's done. Answering is easy too. If you like it, say 좋아해요, 좋아해요, 좋아해요. If you don't like it, add an to the front of something and it turns it negative. So it becomes 안 좋아해요. That's how to answer. 안 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. Let's take another look at how to ask someone what they like to eat by watching the two people again.
미안해요.
아니에요. 정말 맛있어요. 아론, 치킨 좋아해요?
네, 좋아해요. 양념치킨 좋아해요.
다음에는 우리 집에서 치킨 먹어요.
좋아요.